blend this out. I like to blend with my MAC dark mineralized skin finisher, so that it doesn't look too, you know. I'm not really more of the harsh look person. I'm more of like natural-ish kind of. But I don't know, maybe I won't go too natural with this contour, so that you guys can just see the finishing. I had to like fight to get them on the same flight and not treat them separately, and I was like, please get both of them. Like, he was in hospital and they need to just be both on the same flight. Thank you, Jesus. Guys, they managed to get on the same flight. But anything Nigeria is always headache. Like, it's always a long route. Just even to get their itinerary, literally, they said 24 hours before the 12 to 24 hours before the flight. That's when you get your like your itinerary, confirmed seats, whatnot. It's crazy. And like, I just remember my mom saying, how far? Any news? Any news? And I'm like, and I'm just trying to manage her expectation, because obviously she's getting a little bit stressed because she's been stuck out there for so long, and she just wants to know what's going on, so that she's ready, packed properly, knows the deal, like knows the cab that she needs to order to get herself to the airport and stuff. I was just trying to manage her expectations and then still chase them for like little information, but without panicking my mum and dad too much, especially her. Oh yeah, that is blended out better. I'll cut a very long story short. They came back. They are back and safe, guys. We thank you, Jesus. Put some shimmer in my face. So I'm gonna spray my face with Fix Plus spray. I'm gonna spray because I have dry skin. I like the glowy, kind of glowy, sort of shimmery kind of finish, because I have dry skin. If my face is, if I leave it like this, it'll just start to crack a bit. Excuse my hair. During this quarantine, my aim has been to grow my hair naturally, like just no manipulation hairstyles. So like I've been twisting for like 2 months, flat twisting for like 2 months, and my hair's growing. It's definitely growing. It was growing before, but I've just been abusing and using this opportunity to make sure that I'm growing my hair as much as I can, so that when we're out of this, I'm able to just whatever, I'm able to really just stun a little bit. So let me spray this on my face. Ooh. And then when I spray, I'm gonna get the I'm gonna use my Global Glow Skin Finisher. This is like my kind of shimmer highlighter sort of thing, and then I'm gonna use my highlighter brush. Thing with makeup, guys, you have to make sure you have the right brushes, the right tools. It can be a bit daunting though, like, oh, how do I learn this? How do I learn that? Even like a lot of MUAs are using a thinner. I don't really see them use a fan brush. I see them using a thinner brush, which I need to get. Just being very lazy and I haven't got it. Before the spray kind of disappears, I like to just make sure that is there. And then I get my fingers. My sister would tell me off because I'm not really meant to like pull it all like that. I'm just gonna use my fingers, but I'm meant to just literally put it there and yeah, give it that little yeah now. That little yeah now. As a YouTube thing, it's been tough, you know. YouTube, if I tell you how time consuming it is, it's not been easy. It's not been easy. I've had to, like, when doing YouTube, really be on it, because the thumbnail, the editing, the promoting, your clickbait on your thumbnail, even your titling, SEO, oh, so much work goes into it. Even with this quarantine, you know, you think that you have extra time. This extra time business, people need to be careful about this extra time business. I have friends who have kids, and just because we're in quarantine doesn't mean that they have extra time. You know, there's some of them are still having to work from home. Like, even some people I know, they're still having to work from home and still kind of work around their kids and then homeschool at the same time. So I'm using, I'm going to put blusher. So I like to put blusher in between my highlighter and my contour. And this is my new blusher. It's called Raizin. In one of my videos, my last blusher, it was literally empty. So yeah, this was recommended by my sister because I was like, I need a new blusher. And I haven't had a blusher. I've been using the same blusher for years. So I like to put that in between. This is my first time actually using Raizin. Oh, I like that. I do like that. As YouTubers, we need to try our best not to compare ourselves to others. Because that's what I started to kind of start doing for a bit. Like I'll start comparing myself to others a little bit, and I'll be like, oh rah, they're growing. Look at me, I'm not growing as fast as them. You know what? Do your thing. Do your thing. Don't focus on numbers too much. Like, but don't get me wrong, anytime I get like a subscriber or whatever, even if it's just one, I'm always happy. I'm always appreciative of every single one person that follows me and finds me interesting. I'm forever grateful. I just try my best to just stop comparing myself, because obviously I don't know what they're doing behind closed doors. I don't know the grind that they're doing. But then at the same time, I feel like there's a lot of us out there who are not encouraging each other, who are not sharing like knowledge. Or I'm a sharer. Like I like to encourage, like I mentioned earlier in my video, I like to share and I like to see people strive through. Guys, I'm just keep looking at my thing because I'm just wondering like what I'm doing next. That's basically why I keep looking. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyes next. Usually I would wear lashes if I'm going out. Pressure, man. Pressure to try and do this on camera. This eyeliner is Collection. I've been using it for years. It's only $2.99 in Superdrugs. And then I'm gonna put a bit of mascara. I love to share. I love to share. One of my friends started recently, and yeah, I spoke to her. And I just little tips. It's not as if she was exhausting me out, asking for everything. Just like little tips. She was just asking, because I didn't have that support when I first started YouTube. Like my cousin's wife, shout out to her, amazing woman, Ade Funke. You follow her on Instagram, she's great. She was so encouraging. Like she gave me so much like advice and encouragement, just all round her. Like, you know, when someone's just giving you really good encouragement and allowing you to see your full potential. Even my content, like how am I adding value and stuff, because guys, you know, obviously I can't travel, innit? You can't really travel. So that kind of just messed me up. As I was down, I was a bit more annoyed than being down. Yeah, I was just a bit like, oh, seriously, like, I'm now gonna have to change my content on YouTube because I can't necessarily deliver like travel vlogs just yet. And that was hard. I'm still finding my thing. I'm trying to just get to know you guys better. I'm trying to understand like what you guys prefer, what type of content you want to see more, whether it's like more serious talks. Some of you guys are loving some of my fashions. I tend to put myself down on like the fashion stuff because I don't know, I just see myself, I have my own style, and if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. I'm not really claiming to be a fashion guru. I just have my own style, which people tend to like, I guess. Or people are like saying, oh, we really like your style, we want to see, or you're quite fashionable, or you're... Whereas with me, I just dress and I just know what I like. And but I guess it's fashionable to a lot of people, because the majority of you guys have been asking me to do like fashion content and stuff. So I'll look into that a bit more. I'll be honest, I'm not really the best at filming fashion content stuff, but I'll get there slowly. I'll get there. But then at the same time, I definitely want to deliver stuff that I'm passionate about. I'm not saying I'm not passionate about fashion, but I have to kind of make it my own, if that makes sense. I have to make it my own. Or at the same time, I'm willing to like sacrifice and give what you guys want as well. Like, it's not just like what I want all the time. I'm willing to like do that and share my style and stuff. But I don't know, you know when you know the fashion industry is just like crazy, like there's just so many amazing fashionistas out there, and I'm just, and in my head I'm like, who am I? Like, I have my little sense, style, whatever, but I'm not. I didn't think that people will be requesting. But I think my face is done. I blended this, but because this is on camera, I don't know how I don't know if it's doing justice, but I blend it, but I didn't want to blend it too much so that you guys can see the color, so that you guys can see how it looks, because I have to be careful. Like, I could even go down and even blend it even downer to make it not pop as much, which is what I would usually do, but I've left it like this by purpose so that you guys can really see that contour kind of color. Right, well, my lipstick is there. I put some lipstick. Put some lipstick for you guys. Oh, right, my MAC chestnut color. This is my ride or die, my go-to. Been using it for like 10 years. So when it comes to my lip, I don't think I'm the best, but I'm trying, because I don't really have like a lip line, but I'm trying. They say with age you tend to lose it, so I don't know. Or maybe I just never had one. So I need to kind of learn how to create my lip lines better. Cool, so I'm attempting. Let me try and do this. Oh, I'm finding it difficult, but let me just, so that you guys can see. Yep, done. And then what I'm gonna use my taupe, MAC taupe lipstick. Love this. This is like my, I need to get more like neutral lipsticks anyway, but yeah, let's get a little bit of that in between. Let's get anywho, like I said, I still need to kind of improve my lipstick, kind of, because really and truly I should have put powder on my lipstick first and then gone with it. It would have been a bit better, but we live and learn, guys. We live and learn. So guys, I hope you like this look. Yeah, this is like my normal look. This is my normal look. I don't contour my nose because I have a narrow nose, so I don't really feel like I need to contour my nose, but you can if you want to. If you want to contour your nose, you can. As you can see, I like to put a little bit of highlighter at the edge of my eyes. Just gives it like a little nice, you know. And then usually when I have my lashes on, it just looks mwah, mwah. It looks more, and yeah, if my hair was a bit styled, I think it would look, yeah, the look, even especially when I have my wig, when I have my wigs on, yeah, hey, you can see the look even more. But yeah, it's alright. Let me just do it like this with this look. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening to me. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Support a sister. Until next time, guys.